real world asset. So, as many of you know, during my time at Binance, I was involved in the creation of real world assets. There's a couple different types of them that we did, such as equity stock. So think about a Tesla stock, or think about a Amazon stock or a Microsoft stock, but tokenized and able to be bought and sold in real time on an exchange, a crypto exchange, as tokens rather than on a broker dealer or on a traditional exchange. So this is something that's really exciting, and one of the premier ways that anything is being tokenized is by the tokenization of real estate. It's projected to be a multi-trillion-dollar business, the tokenization of assets in general, and I think we're looking at 4 trillion worth of real estate that will likely a large portion of that will be tokened according to Deloitte. And so this is something that we're really excited to launch here. We're already working on a project. We already have a tokenization plan going. And as you can see, Orum's strategic point is our entry into the space will allow those in the community to have access to buy real estate, which is the first place where we're going to be tokenizing assets. Very soon inside of the app. And so what we're going to do here is sort of a really unique model. I think it's something that is pretty cool. And so I want to share real briefly the 70-20-10 model. But the idea is that if we invest $1,000 in a pre construction property or off plan property, that $1,000 is being used by the constructor during the time when the property is being built, and we're really not getting any advantage out of that other than the appreciation of the property once it's delivered. And so we sort of rethought that model, and we came up with the 70-20-10 model, which we're really excited to launch and will be a part of our real world asset program. But what that basically does is it takes the majority of the funds that are invested go towards the construction of the property, but we also take a 20% allocation to put into the AI bots that we have, so specifically the EX AI bot. And then this is going to instantly generate passive income while you're waiting for the construction to happen. And then, as with most of the good programs that we have here at Orem and across network marketing, we have a 10% um, which is distributed across the partner program so that we can reward those from all the legacy levels that we have. And so I think this is a pretty cool thing for everyone to check out, not only in tokenized real estate, but we'll see this model in a lot of other things. But this is our 70-20-10 model, so that every contribution follows this sort of transparent and clear method, so that we're gaining advantage during the construction process. And this is what's going to allow us to have a real unique sort of space in the real world assets. So build while earning, what I just mentioned, you're averaging 2% a month or 20% annually. And over 3 to 5 years, the total yield can recover the full value of the purchase unit while physical ownership continues to grow in parallel. So this is a way for you to take advantage of the growth of the real estate, but also of the Orem system during the construction and during the development of these assets. So really, really exciting times. Like it says at the bottom there, we're turning time into measurable value. So you take a look at the real estate process, and we're turning that into value for our users. Really an exciting time. You'll hear a whole lot more about this. You'll start to see more details about this, but just know that this is something that we've been working on for quite some time now, and we're really excited to start launching it soon. So the real value here is verified ownership, which is really key in not only real estate, but specifically in tokenized real estate, but then also the idea of flexible use and yield. So you're able to use these tokens in ways that you're not able to use traditional real estate. And we're giving global access and more importantly, secure access to all of our users and to all of the community that's interested in these types of assets. So really exciting times on the RWAs. Can't wait to roll these out and to see the people start to use these in their wealth building cycles.